How are you mga katami? Let's prepare coffee jelly with Buko. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to get updated with my new videos. I will be preparing first the gulaman or the gelatin. I added water and then the gulaman powder. You can see the instruction at the back for the proper quantity of water that you may want to add. I then added 3-in-1 coffee and as well as pure coffee. Actually, the water is approximately 4 to 6 cups. I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Depending on the sweetness, you may either add or lessen the sugar. Bring it to boil in medium heat until the coffee granules are completely dissolved. Allow it to cool down and put it at the refrigerator. Then afterwards, remove it at the molding pan. Slice the gulaman or the gelatin into cubes. There is no definite sizes that is needed here. It depends upon you. Then I will add 1 kilogram of buko. I decided to wash it so that it will not be easily spoiled. After draining the water to the buko, add it to the gulaman and mix them well. Then let's add the evap milk and as well as the condensed milk. To make it more delicious and creamy, I added 2 packs of all-purpose cream, which is about 200 grams each. This might be unusual to other countries, but Filipinos are fond of adding cheese to the dessert, and this makes it more creamy and delicious. Now transfer it to the container and then keep it to the refrigerator and it's ready to eat. Here is the list of the complete ingredients. Thank you very much for watching.